Hello, beautiful YouTube audience. So I want to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about the Half Size Me program. I have 4 modules that are available that cover distinct different issues that you might be struggling with. And I want to show you how very simple it is to access. Now, our very first part of the program, Module 1, is right here at the very top of our forums. All you'd have to do is click this. Now you will need to be logged into your account here and on a browser if you have it. But then what you'll do is you'll scroll down and you'll see where it has the lesson for getting started. And all you have to do is scroll down and hit click and play. And it's all right here. And this is a self-directed thing. You can go right back to it. Okay, now I found the audio. So now I want to go ahead. I'm sorry, we're going to go ahead and get the workbook, and the workbook's right here too. As long as you have access and you're logged in, you can find anything that you might need to access, and then just go back into the document one more time. When you come down here to the video or the webinar links, you just simply click this and it takes you right to the video. It's super simple. All you have to do is just make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not, then nothing will be activated because again, this is members only content. So then if you needed to access webinar 58, here it is. And I just want to show you this. All you have to do is click it and then it will immediately.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on meeting.
It'll start to play right there for you. So really, again, if you are wanting help with the program, that's all you have to do is you have to have your membership, be logged in, click through, and everything is linked right to the document. And if you would like to get in on the Half Size Me program, you want this kind of help where you're working on mindset, all the issues, meal planning, boundaries, all the things that are important, all you have to do is go to halfsizeme.com/join. You can get all the information there. And then I also wanted to let you know we are going to be giving away 1 free membership. I offered that up in my earlier video today on Saturday. If you want to go back to that video, like, subscribe, and comment, 1 lucky person will get that notification next Saturday. But I just want to show you how easy it is, and we are opening again on November 5th. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.